Okay, I will share my screen. Where is it? Okay. Can you see the book?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so our topic for today is how do things change? So we will be talking about changes. Okay?
มันทีนะได้แล้ว
What?
How do things trend?
Yes, very good. How do things change? So that is our topic for tonight and for the following days. Okay? So let's start by reading these words. Okay. Number 1,
Flow.
flow. Very good. What is flow? What do you think is flow? Look at that. I will zoom in. Ah, no. What is that? Flow. So flow, it is where when water is moving. Okay? That is flow. Can you see have you seen a river? Have you seen a river? No, not yet. Yes. Like a small canal. Have you seen like that? Not yet?
Yes.
Yes. So okay, when the water is moving like that, so it is what we call flow. Okay? Understand? Okay. How about this one? Can you read this one? You really like changing your background. I'll change my background too.
Start.
Mm, that one. Okay, read this one. Uh, where are you?
I'm here.
I can't see you.
Wait a moment.
You did. You off your camera.
Wait a moment.
What? I can't see you. I want to see your beautiful face, Han. Why? Oh. Okay, let's continue. Read this one. Okay, try to read. I know you can read this. Try to read. Go. Han, are you there? So, read.
Solid.
Solid. Can you read the
Solid.
can you see the book, Han? Can you see the book? Yes? Okay, you can see the book. Okay, again.
Solid.
Okay, very good. So, solid can be hard or soft. Okay, so for example, this one, a ball pen. It is hard, so it is a solid. Okay, and how about I what do I have here? Okay, I have here a. Ah, can you see it? You can see it. It's a toothbrush. So toothbrush, it's hard. So it is a solid. Okay. How about me? I'm kind of soft, but I am still a solid. Okay. Can you show me something that is solid around you? Solid is something hard or soft.
Soft.
Can you show me something that is solid? Show me.
Hard.
What?
Hard.
Hand, of course. Yes. How about things around you? Can you can you show can you look around? Can you look around and find something solid? I'll give you an example. I look around and I have here a telephone. So, telephone is hard. So, it is solid. How about you? Can you look around and find something solid? Look around. Look around you. Show me something that is hard. Anything. What is that? What is that? Try to look around you. All things are solid. Okay? Can you show me anything that is solid? Show me, please. Look around you. How about, do you have a paper there, a pencil, a crayon, anything? Everything is solid. A chair, a table, it's a solid. Can you show me? Show me. Let me see it. Let me see something. How about that? The one you are holding. Can you show me that? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. The one. What is that? It's ear. What is that? Can you show me? The one you putting in your ear. Show me. Show me like this. Is it a solid? Yes? Yes. Okay. Very good. How about this one? Can you read this one?
Liquid.
Liquid. Very good. So liquid, it is anything that flows freely. For example, water, oil. It's a liquid. Okay? And also milk, it's also a liquid. Okay? I can't hear you. Han, where are you, Han? Here you are. Okay, how about this one?
Gas.
Gas, it is like an air. You can't see it, but sometimes you can feel it, like the wind, right? You can't see the wind, but if it touches you, you can feel it. Okay? How about this one? Can you read?
Heat.
Heat. Very good. So heat, it is being hot or being warm. So can you look at the picture? So it is making the water hot. Okay? Can you read this one?
No.
Oops. Wait.
Steam.
Okay. Steam. Very good. So when water is heated, the water becomes an air. This is the steam. Okay?
Steam.
Very
Okay.
good. How about this one? What is this? How to read this one?
Ice.
Very good. So, ice, it is a frozen water. Okay? Have you seen an ice?
Yeah.
Yes. We have a lot in the refrigerator, right? Yes. Okay. How about this one?
Freeze.
Freeze. Okay. When you freeze water, it became a ice. Okay. How about this one?
Melt.
Melt. So, for example, you are eating your ice cream like this. And we have a strong heat of the sun. What happened to your ice cream? It, what do we call that? It melts.
Melt.
Melt. We call it melt uh the when the solid ice cream became liquid, it called melt. Okay? Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, we will try to answer this. B. I will read the instruction. Write the correct words to complete the sentences. Oh, what is that? Okay, let's continue answering this one. We need to complete the sentence. So by completing the sentence, we need to choose from the options here. Okay? So let's try to answer number 1. Can you read it?
Water is liquid.
Very good. So we put liquid here. Can you read it again? Read again.
Water is liquid.
Water is a
Liquid.
liquid. Very good. How about number 2?
We put ice in drinks to make them cold.
Wow, very good. Of course, to make our drink cold, we put ice. Very good, Han. How about number 3?
On hot day, ice cream can melt.
Very good, of course. If it is so hot, then our ice cream will melt. Number 4.
We can't hold a gas in our hand.
Excellent. You are good with this. So, of course, we cannot hold a gas. Okay, very good. How about number 5?
We put cold water to make it hot.
Again? What again?
We 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 freeze
Are you sure? What will we do if we want to make something hot? Do we want to freeze it or heat it?
we we we, we heat.
Very good. So the answer is heat. So can you read again? Read again.
We heat salt to make it hot.
Very good. How about number 6?
Water in a river can melt.
Melt. Are you sure?
Flow.
Flow. Very good. So, like what I said, flow is when water moves, right? So, water can move in a stones, right? So, the answer is flow.
Flow.
Read again.
Water in a river can flow over storm.
Very good. How about number 7?
A book is sword.
What?
The book
A book?
is a solid.
Very good. Since a book is hard, so it is a solid. Very good. How about number 8?
You can see steam on very hot water.
Very good. So, number 9.
On a very cold day, water can freeze.
Very good. Very good. You're learning so fast. You are learning so fast. Good job, Han. Oh, that's so cute. Look at this. Can you, can you see it? You can see it. How about my cat? This is so cute, right? Han, this is so cute like me. That's so cute. What's the name of that character?
Cinema.
What?
Cinema.
Cinema?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's move on. So, I have here a question. Do you have a backpack? Do you have a backpack?
Yes.
Yes. Are there any liquids in your backpack? You can do it. Think. I'll give you a lot of time to think. Are there? Do you have a liquid in your backpack?
Yes.
Yes. What liquid is that?
Water.
Very good. Okay, so you have water in your backpack. I have my backpack here. And I'll find something that is liquid. Oh, I saw something liquid. What is this? It's a perfume, right? Do you have a perfume like this? So for me to smell good,
Two.
a, a cologne, perfume. So it is also a liquid, not just a water. Okay? Yes, I don't have anything. What is Han? Where are you? Oh, oh, you have the same perfume. Oh, what what is the ano? What is the flavor? Flavor? This is Aurora Spring. Oh, you have the same perfume, and it is what is this? Solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Liquid. How about the bottle? Is it a solid or a liquid? The bottle. Since it is hard, it is
It is solid.
very good. It's amazing. We have the same perfume. Okay, nice. And another question. What solids are in your where are you?
I'm here.
You're just here? You're there? What solids are in your kitchen at home? Okay, so you are at home, right? So I want you to go in your kitchen and find something that is solid.
Spoon.
Spoon. Okay, very good. You don't need to go to the kitchen to know if a solid, if a spoon is a solid or not. Okay, very good. What else?
Plate.
Plate. Very good. So in my bag, I will show you what's in my bag. It's a bag raid. I have here a notebook. Is it a solid, a liquid, or a gas?
Uh, solid.
Very good. What else? What do I have here? Don't have anything. Okay, let's proceed. Very good, Ha. Okay, that's all. Now we will be learning cause and effect. Can you say it?
Cause and effect.
Very good. Cause and effect. So, cause and effect tells how one event makes another event happen. Okay, so the cause, it is why something happens. So, cause is the reason. Okay, so why something happens. So, cause, the meaning of cause, um, it it means that it, cause is a reason. Okay, a reason why something happens. Okay, so and the effect is what happens after the cause. Let's try to let's try to read this one. The cause. Can you read it?
I water the plant.
So, what happened if they water the plants? Read this.
They grow.
Very good. So, the cause, the reason, because someone watered the plants, that is the cause, no? He waters the plants. So the effect, so what happened is the plants grow. How about this one? Can you answer this one? I read this one,
The
read this one.
ice, the ice cream is in the sun. It melts.
Very good. So because it has a sun, so what happened is the ice cream melts. Okay? So the cause is the reason and the effect is what happened. Okay? So for number one, the cause here is he watered the plants. So what happened is the plants grow. And the second sentence, because there's a sun, because it's so hot. So what happened is the ice cream melts. Okay, do you understand? Yes. No?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, we will read the sentences and we will match the causes and effects after. Okay, so we read this one. Go.
In the winter, it's sometimes cool and rainy. When it's very cold, it snows. When there's a lot of snow, children don't go to school. They stay home and they're happy. In winter, there's often ice on the streets, and sometimes people sleep and fall.
Wow, very good. You are really a fast reader. Do you understand what you read? Okay, let's in winter, it's sometimes cool and rainy. So when it's very cold, so this is the cause. When it's very cold, what happened? If it is very cold, it, it what happened? It snows, right? Here. So this is the cause. It's because it's very cold. So the effect is it snows. How about the other sentence? If there is a lot of snow, what will happen?
Children don't go to school.
Very good. Because there's a lot of snow, children can't go to school. Very good. This is the effect. So, if there are ice on the streets, what happened? What happened if there's an ice on the streets?
Mm.
You can do it. Fine. What is the effect? What will happen if there's an ice on the streets? So ice is slippery. Okay? Slippery. Like you can So what happened? So the cause is there's a lot of ice on the streets. So what will happen?
Mm.
Look at the story. Find the answer in the sentences. You can find the answer there. Mhm. What? What's the answer? What if there's a lot of ice in the on the streets? Do you know what is the word slippery? You don't know? Slippery. You don't know? I'll translate it for you. English to Vietnamese. Vietnam. Slippery. Again.
Trơn,
Can you read it? Can you hear it?
trơn,
Yes. So that is slippery. When there's a snow, when there's an ice on the street, it became
slippery,
slippery or
trơn,
yes. So what will happen if the street is Chan?
Done.
Yes, what will happen to the people if the
Lit and fall.
very good. So the people will sleep. What is sleep? Do you know what sleep? Chan, like yeah, like that. That is sleep and they fall. So that will happen if the ice is on the street. Okay. So now we will go to our answer and question. Answer question portion. Let's try to match the cause and effect here. So, for example, number 1, it's very cold. So, if it's very cold, it snows. Okay? So, we will match it. Okay. I know you can do it. You're very intelligent. Answer number 2. Can you read it?
There's a lot of snow.
Oh. What will happen if there's a lot of snow?
Mm, there's a lot of snow. Mhm. Children don't go to school.
Very good. Of course, children don't go to school because there's a lot of snow. How about number 3? Very good.
There's often ice. They're happy.
Number 3. Where are you? Where are you what are you reading? Can you this one?
Children stay at home.
So children stay at home. What will happen? What happened when children stays at
Happy.
they are happy. Are you like them when they're at home? Are you happy?
Yes.
Me too. If we don't have a work, I'm happy. How about number 4?
There's often ice on the street. Sometimes people
Very fall.
fall.
Very good. Check, check. Okay. Very good, Han. You perfectly answered it. Okay. So let's move on. What is our world made of? Ooh, what's in here? Can you read this one?
Sight.
What?
Everything in our world comes
World.
word in three different starts.
States.
The
States.
states
Okay.
solid, liquid, or gas.
Okay. So in this world, we only have 3 different states. Okay? The solid, the liquid, or gas. What is it again? What is it again? The 3 states of this world. Was it? What is it? The
Solid, gas,
what is it? Uh, uh, uh.
liquid.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Where is the book? Okay. So, can we read this one?
Solid.
Go.
We can see and feel solids. Some solids are hard and some solids are soft. Trees and feathers are solid. Your are solid too.
Very good. So, solids, it can be hard or it can be soft. Anything. Everywhere, everywhere you look at a solid thing. Okay? When it's hard or when it's soft, it is solid. Okay? Get it? Yes. How about this one?
Liquid.
Go, read.
A liquid is a thing that can flow. Some liquids are thick and some liquids are thin. Juice and milkshakes are liquids. Can you think of other kinds of liquid?
Very good. So a liquid, it at what like what I said, it flows. Liquids flows. So juice that we always drink, and of course milkshakes, our favorite, they are all liquids. So can you think of other kind of liquid? What else is liquid? The
The
what else? Liquid.
Can you think of other kinds of
Yes. Can you
liquid?
give me another example of liquid?
Liquid.
Oh, aside from juice and milkshakes. So juice and milkshakes are liquid. What else? What else? Like what you saw, what you have in your bag.
In the
What?
box.
Yeah, what you said a while ago.
Water.
A liquid in your bag. What is it again?
Water.
Water. Very good. Water is, of course, a liquid. How about, do you have a Coca-Cola there? Like, Coca-Cola. Do you have a Coca-Cola there?
Coconut.
Yes, you have? No.
Coconut.
No, no, not coconut. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. You don't
Yeah.
have?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay. So Coca-Cola is a liquid too. And what you said a while ago, the coconut juice, it's a liquid too. Okay? Can you read this one?
Gas.
Gases.
Gases.
Okay, read.
The air that you breathe is a gas. We can't usually see a gas, but some things we can feel.
Sometimes.
Sometimes we can feel it when it moves. On a windy day, we can feel the wind on our body.
Very good. So we cannot see the gas. Okay, can you inhale? Inhale. Do you know what is inhale? Breathe. Like, do you know how to breathe? Like you're the air. That is what we breathe is an air. It's a gas, okay? So anywhere we can touch it, but gas is everywhere, but we can touch it. And we can also see it. But sometimes we can feel the gas. For example, if it is a windy day, like there's a strong wind, then yeah, if the wind touches your skin, you can feel it, right? Yes, right. Okay. Very good. Continue.
Things can change from one state to another when we make them hot or cold.
So we can change things. Let's see how. Read this. Read.
When we make water very cold, it freezes and changes to ice.
Changes.
To ice.
Okay, very good. So water, what is water again? Is it a solid, liquid, or gas?
Water.
Is it solid or liquid?
Liquid.
Very good. So water is a liquid, but if we make it very cold, it freezes and it changed into ice. Have you tried making an ice in your house?
Yes.
Yes. So from water, we put it in the freezer, then it became an ice, right?
Yeah.
So ice is a solid because it's hard. So the water, when you freeze it, when it becomes hard, it is called ice and it became solid. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So it's happened. So from water, the liquid, it becomes ice, the solid. Okay? Do you understand? If not, ask a question, okay? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Read this.
When ice or snow heats up, it melts and changes back to water.
Okay. So when we heat up ice, what will happen? It became a
Okay. Uh,
what will happen to ice if we take it out from the freezer and we put it in the table? What will happen to the ice? It will change into what if we put the ice in the glass? We put the ice in the glass and we just put it there. What will happen? The ice became
okay.
what? Because it's not freezing in anymore. You just put the ice and the glass you just put it in the table. What will happen to the ice? It became a this one.
Water.
Water. Very good. So if ice heats up, it became a water. Very good. So ice is the solid, okay? And water is the liquid. So if the ice, the solid one, heats up, it melts and it became a water, became a liquid. So it changes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Read this one. Read.
When we heat water, it boils and changes to steam.
Okay. So if we heat a water, have you tried heating a water for a coffee, right? Like we heat a water for a coffee, right? Have you seen that? No. No, not yet. Okay. So when we heat a water, when it boils, can you see the smoke when the water boils? I will show you the picture. This one. Okay. So this inside here there's a water, and if it hits hot, if it hits up, so it became a steam. It
Steam.
becomes a air.
Air.
Yes, it changes into air.
Air.
So from the water, when hits up, it becomes air. Okay?
Okay.
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 Okay. So look at these three pictures of things changing from one state to another. Okay, look at this one. Look at the picture. Han, look, this is an ice. Okay, this is an ice. So when heat up, so what happened? So this is what happened. It melts. So from solid snow, it became a liquid. Okay? And this one, the water was a liquid and now it's a solid. So this is a water before it became a solid. Okay? So this is a water and when it is very cold, it becomes a solid or an ice. Okay? Okay. So, what do you like about the text? So, let's have a rating here. So, if you like the solid, you're gonna check super happy, happy or not happy at all. Okay? So, okay, solids. Are you super happy, happy or not happy?
Happy.
Happy. Why are you happy? Because what is solid anyway? Why are you happy about the solids?
Because I don't know.
You don't know? You're just happy? Okay. Everything that we see around, can you look around you there? So everything you see is a solid. Okay? So you need to be happy because everything is a solid. Okay. Can you say it? Everything I see. Can you repeat after me? Everything I see. Go. Everything
Everything
I see
I see
is a solid.
is a solid.
Okay, very good. How about number two? Liquids. Are you super happy? Happy or not happy at all?
Happy.
Happy. This happy or the super happy?
Super happy.
Super happy. Why are you super happy?
I like milk.
Wow, because you like milk. Very good. Me, I like milk too. I also like chocolate milk.
Yes.
Yes, you like it? Yes. So, we are both super happy. I am super happy too. How about gases? Are you super happy? Happy or not happy?
Happy.
This happy? This?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
I don't know.
You don't know? Because gases, um, it is something we breathe, right? Like what is um okay. So the air that we breathe is a gas. Can you say it? The air
The air
that we breathe
that you breathe
is a gas.
is a gas.
Very good. So without a gas, we cannot breathe. We cannot breathe if there's a gas. So we need to be happy, okay? Okay. How about let's try to have a conversation. I will read this the line of this girl and you will read the line of this girl. Okay? I'll start. What's your favorite part?
What's your favorite part?
Okay. Read the next.
Water can change to a solid or a gas is interesting.
Very good. Okay. Wait. Okay. Let's try to match the causes and effect. I know you're so good with this already. Let's try number one. Okay, it has an answer already. Water freezes. The cause is water freezes. So the effect, what will happen? it changes to ice. Okay? So if the water freeze, it changes to ice. Okay, how about number 2? Can you read it?
We heat ice.
Okay, what will happen if we heat ice? Imagine there's an ice and we heat an ice. What will happen to ice?
It turns to steam.
Are you sure? Like an ice cream. Like yeah, then it's so hot. What will happen to our ice cream? It happened to our ice.
It it melts.
Very good. It melts. How about number 3?
Water boils. It turns to steam.
Very good. You have perfect score. Tick, tick, tick. I'll give you 5 star. No, I don't know how to make a star. Oh, one. Oh, so ugly. The star is so ugly. 3 stars for you. Uh, uh, oh, very good, Han. Let's try to answer this. Number 1.
We can see and feel this and can be hot or soft. This is a sign.
Very good. So if we can see it and we can feel it, then if it also hard or soft, then it is a
Solid.
very good. What about number 2?
This flows. It can be thick or thin. Is a liquid.
Wait. If there's a period, you need to stop, okay? Don't read super fast. If there's a period, stop. Stop. Okay. Go. Make it slow. Okay, go.
This flows. It can be thick or thin. It's
Thick.
a liquid.
Thick.
Thick.
Okay, read again.
It can be thick or thin. It's a liquid.
Very good. It's a liquid. Very good, Han. How about number 3?
We cannot usually see this. Sometimes we can feel it. It's all gases.
Very good. Gas. Okay. Gas or gases, still the same. Okay, very good, Han. Oops. Okay. Okay. What? Okay. We have a little question. There's a question and answer portion. So, why do we boil liquids? What do you think? Why are we boiling the liquids? What do you think? Just give me your opinion. Okay, why do we boil water? Okay? Mostly people boil water. We heat a water. Why? You can do it. For for what? Why? Why people boil a water?
Liquid.
Yes, why people boil liquids?
Mm,
Mm, can you think of something? What do you think is the reason? I'm waiting for your answer. Why do we boil liquids? Why? Do your mother boil water? Have you seen your mother boiling water? No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. So, okay. Sometimes we boil water to cook, right? When our mother is cooking, they first boil a water, okay? And also when our father wants to drink a coffee, we boil a water, okay? Yes. And last question. C- Can all solids change to liquids? What do you think? Can all the solid can be changed to liquid?
Mm,
What do you think? I okay. Ice is a solid, right? And ice, when heated, it became a liquid. It melts and became liquid, right? So, are all solids can be changed to liquids?
no.
No. Yes, very good. Because not everything can be melted, okay? For example, my notebook. We cannot turn this into water, right? Yes. So that's it. Only ice or ice cream can can change into liquids. Okay? Very good. You did so well in this class, Han. You're so good at reading. What grade are you in?
Fine.
What? Grade 5? Oh, you're so good. Can you smile? I really like your smile. Good job. Good job for tonight, Han. You did so well. You're very good with reading. And I think our time is up. Have you enjoyed our class? Next time I will roam you around here in our office and let's try to find liquid, solid, and gas here in our office. Next time around, since we are already out of time, I'll wait. We only have 10 seconds, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are already 1 hour. Can we take a picture? Let's take a picture. Like heart, go. Had a peace sign. Okay. Bye-bye, Han. I had fun
Bye-bye.
with our class. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.